much for the kind introduction and a warm welcome. Very good morning to all our audiences here on behalf of the Economic Times to the Making AI Work Summit and Awards 2025. It's indeed our pleasure to see you all here. And as always, Bangalore mornings, as I say, are difficult, not easy to navigate. In fact, any time in Bangalore off late is not very easy to navigate, and we really appreciate the time that you've taken out to make it here. Thank you so much. So, as we really know, AI has moved way beyond being the sideliner, It's been there for years, but now it's taken center stage. And most of the last year and a half, we all know, you as industry practitioners and we as industry observers, we know for a fact that we have, most of our time now has been devoted to either attending a workshop around AI and also acquiring a new skill in AI, being a part of some forum that, revolves around AI. So AI has moved beyond being the sideliner and has truly occupied center stage. A lot moved since the time Sam Altman openly declared that he's come out with something really game-changing, and that was the beginning of all of this, right? Almost 2 years now. It's been 2 years, and we've been talking about AI, and this is not going away. So the Economic Times CIO as well, the flagship of most of the enterprise tech discussions in Economic Times business verticals, came out with an interesting playbook this year. We called it the AI Playbook 2025, and it was astutely and very, very diligently put together by our teams, our community teams here, some of whom are present here as well. We came out with some interesting findings around AI. And we presented excerpts of that on stage, some of which I could just, quickly run you through. We said, and we brought out data, primary data, secondary data from the enterprise AI community, from the enterprise digital community, and we put together some interesting things here, some of which also says that enterprises across APAC will be expecting an average of 3.6x return on AI investments, provided they do it diligently. And also, AI spending forecast is expected to grow by 3.3x as a percentage of IT spend in 2025 as against the previous years. While this figure this ballpark may vary from organization to organization, APAC, vis-a-vis the more mature markets of the US, is going to be the next place that the world is going to watch. But naturally, India is going to be one of the forerunners in that dialogue, very understandably so. We have the numbers, and we'll soon be having the value as well. In my conversations, I do notice, and I'm sure most of you know that as well, I'll be echoing most of your sentiments here. In most of our conversations, we see different players in AI at this moment. People who say, yes, we are doing a lot of work here. We have moved beyond pilot. We are not in the pilot is purgatory stage. Some people are saying, no, hey, you know what, we need to watch what AI is going to do for us. And by AI, I'm talking more in terms of advanced AI, generative AI, agentic AI. So where are the use cases? What's really happening? So today's Making AI Work is going to be that practical, hard look of what industry and the world of enterprise tech is really doing with AI. What are those foundational models that we're really testing? What are we really looking at? What are the data sets that we're really looking at? What are those pilots that we're still looking at or moved beyond? What are the areas in which we have succeeded? And where are those places we are ready to admit we may have failed and move on fast? One of the things that we keep saying, right, in most discourses is, let's fail fast and move ahead. So today's summit will concern with some of those conversations as to where we are. We have a stellar lineup of speakers from the industry, some of whom are already seated here. We're going to be having the Honorable Minister of IT in BT Karnataka, Priyank Kharge, joining us as keynote. Over the day, we're also going to be having digital leaders joining us. We're also going to be having the Honorable Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, Deputy CM of Karnataka, also joining us. We also are going to have some leading founders of leading IT giants, some of whom who made India in the 1990s joining us. We're going to have Mr. Chris Gopalakrishnan joining us. And once the main conference is over, we are going to be recognizing some excellence in the sphere of AI in the evening through an awards, which we are going to kind of call the Making AI Work Awards, which is going to selectively we had a rigorous process of selection to make the awards happen this year. And we had a grand, stellar lineup of jury, members who kind of came in to make this happen. So the evening will culminate in the awards. So do stay back through the day, be a part of this experience that the Economic Times has put together for you. Be a part of the social media experience, ask your questions. As media and industry observers, we always urge our audiences to ask questions. So it's because the community helps us make these events happen. So we are extremely grateful to each of you because this room contains, as a collective cumulative manpower and man-years of experience, I think it runs into several thousand years. No matter where you are in your organization, whichever sphere of decision making you are, collectively this room represents the best of community and industry and media observation. So please take the time out, be a part of the panel discussions as active participants from the audience. We have different formats. We have standalone case studies, we have use cases coming in, we have panel discussions, we have fireside chats, we have different things that we put out, as always, as a good conference should be. So make use of this time. And I will now kind of conclude my little note here, urging you all to give in your data sets and observations as well during the day, because that would kind of help us to better the experience for you going year on year. We hope to take this IP and make it better every year, and for all of you. So extremely grateful to our industry partners, extremely grateful to each of you here. Have a good day, have a good conference, and feel free to reach out to all of us. Our team members are here, our editorial is here, our product teams are here, community teams are here, our operations teams are here. So please feel free, reach out to us anytime during the day. We're open to conversations. And on that note, thank you. Have a good conference, because AI is going to be from promise to purpose. Thank you so much.